Most VPNs say the same thing: fast, private, secure. But here's the real question. How do you know which one actually fits you?
Welcome back to VPN.com. Let's get started in helping you become an expert at choosing the best VPN service for you.
Mary, people ask this everywhere. Which VPN is actually best for me?
Honestly, there is no single best VPN for everyone. It really depends on your specific needs.
Someone who streams every night needs something different from someone who only wants privacy on public Wi-Fi.
Exactly. That's make perfect sense. It's an important point. Not every VPN suits the same person.
Yeah.
Is to start with your actual needs: speed, privacy, streaming, price, devices, or ease of use.
Look, when every single option claims to be the fastest and safest, the marketing words start to lose their meaning.
And we all know it, right? Totally agree.
So how do we know a VPN is truly good, not just advertised well?
I would never judge a VPN by its ad alone. A good VPN should be tested for speed, streaming access, app usability, leak protection, and kill switch reliability. Testing is how you separate real performance from marketing noise.
I want your honest opinion on it. Will a VPN slow down my internet?
A little, yes, and that's normal. But a strong VPN keeps the slowdown small, especially on a nearby server.
How small are we talking?
On a modern VPN using the WireGuard protocol, the slowdown is usually just 5 to 15% on broadband, and most people never notice it while streaming or browsing. The privacy you gain is well worth that small trade.
Can users trust a VPN just because it says no logs?
Not without an independent audit. A claim on a homepage isn't proof.
Which VPN is best for someone who wants one strong, all-around option?
For most people, I'd start with NordVPN. It earns one of the highest trust scores on VPN.com, with a strong mix of speed, privacy, streaming support, and security, without feeling too complicated.
And Mary, should I compare the NordVPN plans before subscribing?
Yes, absolutely. Before paying, compare the NordVPN plans on VPN.com. It shows the test results, pricing, and alternatives before you commit.
What if someone wants one VPN for many devices?
Then Surfshark makes a lot of sense. Surfshark's biggest advantage is unlimited device connections. One Surfshark plan can protect every phone, laptop, and TV in the house at once. You can see how Surfshark's plans compare on VPN.com before you choose.
I personally like traveling and streaming, so which VPN should people consider for streaming and travel?
For streaming and travel, ExpressVPN is a strong premium option. ExpressVPN is known for stable connections, so your shows keep working as you move between devices and countries. For streaming-focused users, VPN.com can help you compare which premium options fit your devices, budget, and viewing habits.
And what if someone's new to all this and just wants the easiest VPN?
Then I'd look at CyberGhost. CyberGhost apps are simple, and its servers are clearly labeled for streaming, gaming, and browsing, so a beginner isn't guessing which one to pick.
Which VPN should privacy-focused users consider?
For privacy, Proton VPN is a strong choice. Proton VPN offers Swiss diction, secure core, Tor over VPN, and independent audits. Every feature points at privacy.
And what about maximum account anonymity?
That's where Mullvad stands out. Mullvad doesn't even need an email to sign up. It gives you a random account number instead, so the account isn't tied to your identity.
Mary, many people rely on free VPNs, so tell me, are free VPNs safe?
Some are, but you have to be careful. Many random free VPNs make their money another way: ads, tracking, tight data limits, or weak infrastructure that's slow and unreliable.
What red flags should people avoid before paying for a VPN?
I'd skip any VPN with no independent audit, a vague privacy policy, or data caps on paid plans. Use VPN.com to compare trusted VPN services, tested and scored without bias, and choose a plan with confidence.
Because the right VPN shouldn't just promise privacy, it should prove it every time you connect.